Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we're in Dollar Tree and look at how cute they have the burlap pumpkins. They have the faux leather pumpkin and the fox wool. That's pretty. Some more faux leather, fox wool, faux wool, and then the leather. The vase glass fillers, mushrooms. Look at the leaves. So they have the brown and then the burlap. Burgundy. And they have these pumpkins still. More vase filler. The cute little scarecrow picks. And then look at all of these. So they have these are on the clips. Green and orange. And burlap. The leather. And velvet. Look at these cute picks. Green, orange, gray, pink, blue, and they have these. The white, the beige, and the dark brown. And dark brown. Natural pumpkins. More DIY stuff. I actually got some of these yesterday. The faux leather words. These are so cute. So they have blessed and then thankful. Grateful, I mean. Harvest DIY words. Give thanks. I don't know what else it says. But they have those three. Little pumpkin decor. Farm fresh. The paint set, happy harvest, give thanks. The scarecrow. I saw a cute DIY done with these. And then look at these. Grateful. Pumpkin says thankful. The stickers. The harvest trucks, they have pies and pumpkins. The chalkboard ornament pumpkins. Some more faux leather. Mini pumpkins. Some more of the clips. Oh look, they have the words blessed too. They have this color. I think I need this color. I don't even know what DIY to do or what to do with them, but those are so cute. Can like put them on a truck or something. You have the decorative picks along with the pumpkin. The straw, all of the mesh. Green, all of the ribbon, the truck, leaf, pumpkin, the owl, this mesh, this ribbon, more ribbon. Fabric, more ribbon. These are cute. The gold foil, orange foil. These are really pretty actually. And then these. This is cute too. They have a lot of cute DIY stuff over here. Then right over here, some DIY Halloween. Purple, orange, and black tree. The ornaments, purple, orange, and black. The ribbon. These ribbon, they have the ghost, the witch hat, this and this. Riley wants to do hocus pocus. Probably should make something with that, right? They have the sparkle mesh, gray and black, orange and black, purple and black. Looks like a green. They have those mesh, the mesh tubing, skeleton heads. The eyeballs. All of those right there, DIYs. Trick or treat, spooky. The pumpkin hanging sign in the black. And the pig hats. Spiders, these bows are cute. They have it in orange, the black, and the purple. Orange, purple, and black. And then the bats. All those cute DIYs. Oh, and then look right over here. We saw most of that, the flowers. We saw most of the stuff that they have in this section. None of this stuff is new. I've pretty much seen everything. We probably didn't see the sign though. Happy harvest, thankful, all are welcome, gather together, blessings. And they have the autumn one and then that one. Yep, we see most of this. If you didn't, when I came like 2 times ago, I'll make sure to link it in the info cards and the in the description to click. We went through all of the signs. They have these cute signs, autumn. They have these cute pumpkins, thankful, grateful. The cute black and white. They have all of the black and white stuff here. And they have the dogs, the vases. Dogs. Elephants. These are cute. The rose gold, silver gold, and they have these. Black and white, and then these. Okay, so last time we was here, we did see the pumpkin pie. I think the pecan pie. Then, of course, these. And then they have cherry and apple pie. And the apple pie one is somewhere back there. And welcome home and grateful. I saw somewhere on a Facebook group that I'm in, and people were looking for these. They have like a full little stock of them here. Hey Arthur. And then they have the puzzles, some Wild Kratts dinosaur puzzle stickers, and we pretty much went through everything that they have over here in the school supplies, but this was cute. Blah blah blah. You've Always Been Essential. And I have Mickey, Minnie. Those are really pretty. But I am back up at the front of the store because they don't have anything else throughout the store. And thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and shopping with me. Look at this. First day of whatever grade today. My teacher's name. How old am I? When I grow up, I want to be. This is cute. But that's pretty much it for what I see in here today. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and shopping with me. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it wasn't too short. And I'll see you guys in the next one.